In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change padding in Constant Contact. If you're looking to add a little more space around your images to make your email design pop, or if you simply want to modify the distance between your image and surrounding text for a cleaner look, adjusting your image padding can make a big difference. Let's dive right in and explore how you can do this with ease. First, you'll want to navigate to the image that you'd like to adjust within your Constant Contact editor. Simply click anywhere on that image. This action will open up the toolbar, a helpful suite of options and tools designed to enhance your email editing experience. Here, you're able to make various adjustments to suit your needs, and today, we're focusing specifically on adjusting the padding. On the toolbar, you'll find buttons labeled Horizontal Padding and Vertical Padding. The horizontal padding controls the space on the sides of the image, providing the opportunity to create a balanced look by increasing or decreasing the margins on the left and right. Meanwhile, the vertical padding affects the space above and below the image. This can be particularly useful if you want to add a bit more breathing room between text or other elements and the image itself. To adjust the padding, simply click on either the horizontal or vertical padding buttons as needed. You can add padding to increase the space or remove padding to decrease it. Just keep clicking to achieve the desired effect. Remember, the overall aim is to ensure that your email looks as polished as possible. Whether you're needing just a slight tweak or a more significant adjustment, these tools provide you with the flexibility to customize your layout exactly to your liking. As you make these adjustments, I recommend occasionally previewing your email to see how these changes look from your subscriber's perspective. Getting into the habit of checking from your audience's view is always beneficial, as it helps ensure that the final product delivers a seamless, visually appealing experience. And there you have it. That's how you change the padding in Constant Contact. As simple as it may seem, this small tweak can have a significant impact on the overall design and readability of your emails. So next time you're crafting a campaign and feel things look a bit too cramped, you'll know exactly what to do to fine-tune your images for that perfect aesthetic. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tip helps elevate your email design. Be sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials, and happy emailing.